Hey, here's a few more things I would like to donate to the Digital Museum of Plugs and Sockets. So, well, let's start with this guy. A waterproof outlet. And if one can see, then there's actually a normal switch inside which has an extension to this larger switch. Interesting. I think it's quite old, maybe the 1930s or something like that. And then we have another one. I should have mentioned that this one is on and this one is off. And here on this one, the top one is on and then it's off. Both of them are without a ground connection, although this one is a little interesting because if they have just made this metal a little longer and with some kind of spring function or something like that, then you could have made the metal here to a ground connection. And then we have this one. This has a ground connection, and then you can switch it on and off here. This one is 6 amp, and actually I also think the two others are 6 amps, but I haven't checked. Good. And we might as well take this one right away. This is how small extension boxes looked. What should we call them? Extension boxes. I don't know what they call. And you see there's not a lot of room here, but it fits the socket quite well. This one, it actually it works, but not so fantastic. And this one works, but since it's so old, it's almost falling off. This one is of course older. See if the color, and also not so safe because you can do this. Six amps. I don't know how many. Oh, also 6 amps. Yes. And this one is 10 amps. And it was just that I saw that the one on the home page only had the green color, so here is a nice combination of red and green. And this one is not permitted anymore. You can't even buy them anymore because it needs to be recessed if it does not have a switch. I think this one is 10 amp. It's almost always. And then we have the last very interesting thing. It's a lamp socket. And it's from 2 different companies, these two, so it must have been a standard. I have actually never seen this in real life, or what should we call it, in a house, but since it's from 2 different companies, then it must be a standard. Yes, it has, as you see, there's room for 3 connections actually, but it's not for ground, it's for 2 live connections. Yes. And that is all.